When comparing Fieldwire versus Synchro, the big question is, which construction management software packs the most features to help streamline your projects? Both tools are strong contenders, but they serve slightly different needs, and I'm here to break down the differences to help you decide which one is better for your specific goals. Let's start with Fieldwire. One of the standout features here is its intuitive mobile interface. The app is super responsive, making it easy to manage tasks, track project progress, and communicate with your team in real time. Fieldwire's main strength lies in its task management capabilities. It lets you create punch lists, track issues, and manage daily logs with ease. The mobile app is robust enough for field crews, but it also integrates well with desktop versions for more detailed project management. However, when it comes to complex project timelines and budgeting, it starts to fall short. Fieldwire isn't as feature-rich in these areas compared to Synchro. Now, moving on to Synchro, a more advanced solution. If you're managing large-scale construction projects, Synchro might be the better choice. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools, including 4D scheduling, 3D modeling, and project budgeting. This makes it a great tool for more complex, multifaceted projects. The depth of integration with building information modeling, BIM, also gives Synchro an edge for users who need detailed and visual representations of their project's progress. However, the complexity of the platform can be a double-edged sword. The learning curve is steeper, and it's not as intuitive for smaller teams or for those just getting started in construction project management. Next thing, let's talk about collaboration and communication. Both platforms do a good job here, but Fieldwire's simplicity makes it a better choice for teams who need quick communication and easy task assignments. Synchro does offer collaboration features, but due to its more advanced nature, it requires more training to get the most out of them. You'll find more customizable reporting in Synchro, which is excellent for teams needing detailed, analytical insights. But for basic project communication, Fieldwire might be more user-friendly. The fourth thing to mention is cost. Fieldwire generally has a lower price point, which can be appealing for smaller businesses or contractors on a tighter budget. Synchro's pricing is more on the premium side, mainly due to the advanced features it offers. So, if your team's not looking for high-end capabilities, Fieldwire might save you some money while still delivering on the basics. The fifth and final point, scalability. Fieldwire excels for smaller teams and more straightforward projects. However, as your company grows and you take on more complex jobs, you might quickly outgrow Fieldwire. On the other hand, Synchro scales better for larger teams or enterprise-level projects. It offers deeper features that grow with your needs, especially if you're looking to dive into 4D scheduling or BIM integration. So, both Fieldwire and Synchro have their strengths and weaknesses. If you need something simple and cost-effective, Fieldwire is a solid choice. But if you're tackling more complex projects and need advanced tools, Synchro might be the right fit. However, after trying both of these platforms myself, I found there's actually a better alternative out there. If you want a tool that combines the best of both worlds, ease of use and advanced features, check out the first link in the description for a free trial of a construction management software that I personally recommend. By using our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available elsewhere. So, while Fieldwire and Synchro are great in their own right, there's a better option out there to meet your needs. Be sure to check it out.